Hey there, moneymakers. Welcome back to Learn with Shari. I'm Shari, and today's video is all about unveiling the best-kept secrets of the internet, 5 real and most demanding websites that can help you make some serious cash. So, grab your notepads because you're going to want to remember these. Let's dive right in. Upwork. Our first stop is Upwork, a freelancing platform that connects skilled professionals with clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, designer, programmer, or have expertise in various fields, Upwork offers a vast range of opportunities. Stick around as we explore how you can turn your skills into a lucrative online career on Upwork. Swagbucks. Now, let's talk about Swagbucks, a platform that pays you for doing simple tasks online. From taking surveys and watching videos to shopping online, Swagbucks lets you earn points, or Swagbucks, that can be redeemed for gift cards or even cash. Stay tuned to find out how you can start racking up Swagbucks in your free time. Fiverr. Next on our list is Fiverr, another freelancing giant that allows you to sell your services starting at $5. Fiverr is known for its diverse range of categories, giving you the chance to offer almost any skill or service you can think of. Discover how you can stand out on Fiverr and turn your passion into profit. TaskRabbit. Moving on to TaskRabbit, a platform that connects people who need help with various tasks to skilled individuals in their local area. Whether it's moving furniture, assembling furniture, or running errands, TaskRabbit lets you monetize your time and skills. Stay with us as we explore the world of task-based earning on TaskRabbit. Remote OK. Last but certainly not least, we have Remote OK, a job board that specializes in remote work opportunities. With the rise of remote work, this platform has become a go-to for those seeking legitimate online jobs. Find out how you can land remote gigs on Remote OK and enjoy the flexibility of working from anywhere in the world. There you have it, 5 secret websites that are not only real but also in high demand for earning money online. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Learn with Shari, and hit the notification bell for more money-making tips and secrets. Subscribe my channel. Thanks for joining me today, and may your journey to online wealth be as exciting as it is rewarding. Until next time, Learn with Shari signing off.